Good morning, everyone. Sam is here again for Wednesday. Wednesday? Yeah, probably. Yeah, I'm so busy, I don't even know. I can't track anything. Okay, it's 28th though, December 28th. All right, so I'm starting the recording a little bit early because I saw this setup here, right? The setup comes anytime, you got to pay attention. It's not only London session or US session, sometime an Asian session. In Asian currencies like Aussie dollar and yen, sometimes they move very good. You got to pay attention to those pairs, right? So this one, I've get the fib here, and this is 61%, and AB equals CD 100% here. This is the big level 58.27, and we are below that, and I think powerfully we will be coming down here to this level to 56.54. Another reason is that the daily range exactly coming to this level from if we get the entry from here. So I saw this and I made the chart and I posted on my I posted on the Forex Factory forum there, right? That EUR-USD might drop to 56.54 tonight. I also posted this chart on my Telegram, right? This right there is the chart. EUR-AUD 40-minute on the 20th, showing this way, right? So, yeah. So then I said, well, and then obviously I took the entry. It's not 100% perfect entry, but since you have such a solid case, then you just go ahead a little bit, faster, right? So what happened is that I took this entry here, like yellow line is just above it, but still bearish. 40-minute is bearish. Yellow line is just above black, but it is bearish. So I took it anyway, right? And luckily, this manually I took it. My alarm didn't beep because alarm has to, alarm will beep only when the yellow line will be below the black line. But once you learn the system, it's okay to do. Sometimes take advantage of these things. And that's what I teach in my webinars and one-on-one and all of that. So here's the entry, and nicely it went down and went up, and then again going down right now. So this one is going down, Euro Aussie. This entry is already done, and obviously when Aussie is getting strong, then it is affecting Euro Aussie as well as Pound Aussie. So Pound Aussie is right there. Pound Aussie, yesterday I had a couple of entries, this one for 90 pip, this one for 40 pip, right? So now this one I have an entry, but it's on the other computer, right? Where I do the Asian trades usually separate, where the oil and gold is open as well. So I took it there. So if I survive here, I will show you that trade as well. But on this computer, this entry, this is the one I took it here right now, just now, a little while ago, and I'm going to move my SL to just above this high. If I survive, fine, thank you. If not, this one might not survive, to be honest with you, because I'm expecting pound to get strong. If pound gets strong and then pound pairs start to go up, this will get knocked out, and then I'll definitely I'll find any some long in some pound pair and then take care of that. No big deal, right? But this one I'm expecting a nice drop to 56.54. Remember the number. Target is 56.54. Let me just type it here. Target equal 56.54. Unlike yesterday I made a big mistake with pound CAD and closed early for only 70 pip, and it dropped 100 pip more. All for the whole total of daily range, like 177 pip it dropped, and I missed that 100 pip, right? Even though I knew that I told and it's recorded that I was expecting 62.33 as a target, but I closed only for 70 pip, thinking that it's just the next day of after Christmas and might be slow and all of that. But the damn thing just dropped. But I got the nice trade, 70 pip trade in Euro CAD as well. So no complaint, pound CAD and Euro CAD, just these two gave me 140 yesterday. Then plus 90 pip and 40 pip in the pound Aussie, plus a couple other. Yesterday was like total of 305 pip. The video is there. You might have seen it already. Now this one is going down here. Pound Aussie is going down right now, right? And then the rest, I'm not going to take any more entries now until the London session open, okay? So let's go. All right, so I'm going to go now. Pause the video. I don't want to make the video too long, right? And come back with the updates, all right? So bye for now, and see you guys later. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again. I just wanted to show that this thing is going up now. Pound Aussie, my entry, and I'm sitting at 10 pip risk. So if it goes and hit my SL, I'm going to be losing 10 pips. That's how it's done. When I make 90, 100 pip, and when I lose, this is how I lose. So, you can do the math, right? So we're going to be counting everything. EUR-AUD is going nice, but pound may get strong. Remember, I told you earlier that pound, I think this entry might be, I have another entry here from here. So that if anything, if it goes up, that would be no problem because it's sitting on the break even. Okay, this one 10 pip risk. Let's see what happens. Also, I'm waiting and watching and waiting for this EUR-CAD and pound CAD. This is EUR-CAD, this is pound CAD. They're both setting up. London is not open yet. It's 2:38 a.m. So the volume is still not there. Right after the London Open, I might get short entries in these two. EUR-AUD has a 112 daily range. So from there, maybe I'll go, if I get an entry, maybe I'll close here just below 46. I mean, maybe S2, S1, right? Because I don't want to take a chance. I might go more than that, but if I get 60, 70 pip, that'll be fine because the daily range is small. Pound CAD has a daily range of almost like 170 or 80, something like that. Let me see how much is pound CAD, right? Pound CAD. I forget, man. Oh, 177. So if that drop, but see, the problem is that I'm doubting pound, that pound may get strong. Pound may get strong. So if that happens, because if you see, let me show you the chart. I don't know where the chart, I'll pull up the chart and then 80-minute chart for pound index. But you never know. So this is what it is. Let's see if I get the entries in pound CAD and euro CAD. So I'll be back. Hello, everyone. I just took this entry here. I was, remember I just, last time I told you that I'm waiting for pound CAD and euro CAD to give me the entry. So pound CAD is right there, sell order, and I put the SL here, and it's going down, nicely going down. That happened here. Whoa. Oh, my speaker. So now you can hear the beep, right? So even though I was expecting the pound is going to get strong, but that's what it is when you expect something and then something else happen, right? So I'm not going to take chances. So I'm just going to go there, and I went short, and if I lose, I lose, but I'll cover later on, no big deal. But it's a nice setup. Pound CAD, the weekly chart, that it is, it has a long way to go. So if we go below 63.88, then we will go back to 62.33 and maybe even beyond that. So 63.88 is gone. So we have to bypass the 62.33 and then go down. Euro CAD, still no entry. So I'm waiting for that. Okay. So let's see. Let me go and take care of these things, and then I'll update you again. Pause recording. Okay, now I'm here again, and just want to show you that I got the entry on EUR-CAD as well. So pound CAD and EUR-CAD also going down alongside with the pound Aussie and euro-Aussie. Let's see. I have 4 trades going on, and I don't think I'm going to take any more. So let's see what happens to these things. This one, I will probably close to 43, 46. because more than that, I'm not trusting these days now. No, I have to go more than that. This is the entry, is not that. Probably even beyond this. Okay, I'm gonna hold on to it. It's like 40, 50 pip. No, I don't want that. I want more. Okay, so let's see what happens. I'm just gonna hold on to see that one. Pound CAD, yes, it's going. See, that's the danger. I'm expecting pound that's gonna flip and go to the upside. Euro, yeah, it's gonna come down, but pound, let's see what happens. Okay, so yeah, let me go and take care of it. When I'm talking, I'm not taking care of things, right? So gotta go and take care of all these things. Pause recording. All right, here am I again. But I am again, right? What's happening here? Okay. Yeah, so this is just want to show you. I shrink the chart a little bit so I can show you that where the target is. My target is 56, 54. This is the line, right? So just before that is S3. This is S2. But I think that it's going to bypass the S2. And maybe around this area before the 56, 54, I'm going to close. That would be enough. Right now, as it is 60 pip. So around 100, maybe I'll close it. Okay. Like I said, this is the last week of the year, December, and need to be very careful, right? So don't have to be greedy. 100 here, 50 here, 60 here. That's it. Out. 200 pip, get out. So this one is going nicely, and even if I have a couple of hidden pound pairs, I'll handle that, no problem. And EUR-AUD, and I just made the entries on that, so let's see what happened, right? So let me go and take care of that. Recording. Hello, everyone. Now, what happened is that pound USD. See that pound USD beeping? So I open the trade here. My entry is right there, and my SL is right there. So I'm gonna see what happened. It looks good. I'm expecting the Aussie dollar, not Aussie dollar, man, US dollar strength, right? So if that kicks in, yes, then this thing is gonna drop, and the target would be this. Remember that this target was like for last week, the beginning of the last week, but the price came very close and then went up. So now this time maybe it's gonna go hit 1960. Right now we are at 20 and 29. So 1960 is not a problem. It's right around the corner. And let's see what happens. Right. So I'll be back with more updates. Yeah, see that I just took a little while ago, pound USD. Now it's going down nicely. Hope it will go and hit the target, 1960. Wouldn't be much, but 65, 70 pip, that's I'll be fine with that because pound Aussie is going down very nicely as well. So pound Aussie is going to give me that, right? And then you obviously Euro Aussie and all the other things are Euro Aussie going nicely, pound Aussie. I'm expecting like 100 pip each from here, and pound USD may end up giving me 60, 70 pip as well. And then I have pound CAD and Euro CAD. Let's see what happens. CAD is just like a little fishy right now, but you never know. All right. So I got 5, 6 trades going on. I will update you later. Okay. What else I had? Oh yeah. Okay. So don't worry. So yeah. Yes. Let me go and take care of these babies. Hello everyone. Sam is here again. Yeah, all of my 5 trades, Euro Aussie, Pound USD, Pound CAD, and Euro CAD are still alive, running. Like this one, 60 pip plus, and then some is like 20 pip or some 30 pip, something like that. So, but the volume is not there, right? So nothing is moving fast. So I'm kind of tired now, so I'm gonna go take a nap, and then I'll come back maybe a few hours, and then I'll see if I am survived, which one is survived, and if not, then whatever. But yesterday I had pretty good, 305 pips, so I don't mind losing, 40, 50, 60, whatever, if I have to. But let's see what happens. Or maybe I'll end up with 300 or 400 more, right? So let's see. So I'm gonna go now, and I'll come back and after a few hours because I'm gonna take a nap. I'm dead tired. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again. I just woke up and realized that my EUR-AUD trade went to the target, and the target was 56.54. 56.54 is right there. Start of refresh thingy. Let me just cancel it. All right, so here you see that the target was 56.54, and right there 56.54, and this is S3. So it is stopping at S3, and which is from my entry to S3 is, you can see here, one almost like 115 pip, right? So I'm gonna close this one, and I will come back and update about others. Two of my SL hit, so I'm gonna show that as well. But let me just close this one, and then I'll come back. Okay. Pause recording. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again. Yeah, so this is EUR-CAD still there, right? It's still positive, but not moving much. Pound, as I was expecting, that is gonna get strong and screw me up. Yes, it did. Pound CAD gone for 25 pip full total, right? And the other pound USD, I took this entry here. It went down a little bit, and after that, boom. So that's 25 and 25, 50 pip gone. Pound Aussie still, you see this is still here. So I'm going to close it now with like maybe, sorry, break even, but this is 20 pip, right? Okay. So that 20 pip, I'm going to close that now. This is gone for 20 pip positive and 50 negative. So I'm 30 negative, and I closed, well, still there. Let me just show you. Sell order here for 115 pips. So 115 and 20, right? So I'm going to close that one too. I'm going to close it here, and that's gone as well. So I closed two positive, 115 and 20. So that would be 135 minus two losses, 50 pip, right? So 135 minus, so that's 85 pip positive. And my EUR-CAD is still running. This is sell, and it's right there, right? So 85 pip positive so far today, right now. Okay, so just keep in mind that I have 85 pip positive, and I have one trade open, which is EUR-CAD, and I think I'm positive on this one here. How much? 25, 23 pips. So 20 pips is 80, right? So if I close this one as well, which is probably I'm not gonna close, let it run. I'm gonna come and sit on a break even. So 85 pip positive so far today, and here I am sitting on like a break even here, right? So if it goes hit my SL, fine, thank you very much. If not, then I have a chance here. If not, all in all, 85 pip positive so far. All right. So I'm gonna go back and see if I can find, when US opens up, I may find something. Now, one of those, a pound Aussie on the other computer is running, right? So it is probably positive 40, 50 pip. And my oil trade I closed for almost 150 pip. So I'm gonna show those trades when I come back. All right. All right. Bye for now. Hello, everyone. All right. So I closed few trade with 85 pip positive plus this one running, including the 2 losses. And so altogether on this computer so far, 85 pip, still 85 positive, plus this one is still running, right? And that 85 pip plus the other from the other computer, GA. Remember, I told you that GA I opened an Asian session that was still running. On this one, I closed GA for 20 pip, right? But the other computer I just closed, and then I record the chart to show you. And this is the chart. You can see the entry, the date's 28. The entry right there is 28 December. And here, 65. So 85 pip positive there on this computer. And then this is the trade from the laptop. You can see the size of the chart. It's small. This is from the laptop. 65. So 85 plus 65. So that's 90, 100, and 150. Right? So 150 pips so far, with the EUR-AUD still running positive. And I had this beautiful oil trade as well, from 79.69 to 78.56. Right? So these are the trades. But even if you don't count this one, 150 pip plus the EC running, still running here, EC. So this is where I stand right now. Let's see if I can find any other entry. And because it's 7:49, still the time for the entry. The US session is going to start at maybe 9:30, right? So it's like 7, so 8, 9, and 30, so 2.5 hours, right? So if I have any setup, my alarm beeps. I just woke up, so I don't know. I'm going to scan the market again and see if anything is cooking, and I'll let you know. But as of now, remember, oil trade plus 150 pip positive. The close trade already. And this one is running. This one so far, I think it's like 25, 30 pip. So it's still easy, right? 20 pip, right? So that if I close this one here, so that would be 170 pip plus the oil trade for 120 pip, right? So that's how the day is going so far. And we still have the half of the day left. Let's see if I find good trade. All right. So bye for now, and I will come back for some more updates later. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again. Look what happened. I said EUR-AUD is gonna go down to 56.54, and now it is kissing that line 56.54 exactly. I closed 20 pip earlier, but that's okay, 100%, because the trade was like 115 pip that I got. That's more than enough, but I'm talking about that the accuracy of this market. If you can calculate and understand the levels, this is how accurate you can get. It's going to bounce from here, watch. So when it was here, I said that, okay, this is what's going to happen. And why is that? Because the 40-minute chart, which I don't know if I have it open here or not. By the way, let me show you the chart that the pound, I was expecting that the pound pairs will go up, was this. See, this is a chart I made earlier in the day, and I posted on the Telegram that this is the channel. This is pound index, by the way. The pound index, it is all the way down here and hitting this channel trend line, the trend line and the channel trend line, right? So I said, okay, this thing is going to go up, maybe, to this yellow line. Even that much will take all the pound pairs to the upside, and that's exactly what happened. Why I don't stop this thing, man, when I'm talking. Okay, so this is exactly what happened, right? That's because of that. What the heck happened? That chart is gone. Huh? Oh, yeah, sorry. All right, so this is exactly what happened on an 80-minute chart. 80-minute chart is like my daily chart. So it went up a little bit, and that's why all pound pair went up. So my pound CAD, my pound USD, they knocked me out, right? But it's okay. It's okay. I'm still up 150 pip plus the oil trade, plus my EUR-AUD is still going. Right. So my EUR-AUD is still running, and it is positive, but I'm not going to close it. I'm sitting on a break even. So either, it's going to knock me out, So this is 25 pip here. So 150 plus 25, if I close right now, it's going to 175 pip plus the oil one, right? But no, I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna take the risk, and it might drop all the way here, at least 50, 60 pip, then I'll close. Okay, just wanted to show you guys that one. Okay, so let's see if I can get more entries. If not, that would be the day. So I'll be back with more update. Hello everyone. Now I have this pound newsy giving me a sell signal. So I open the trade here. My SL is here. So let's see what happened to this one. And my EUR-AUD, I don't know, it's about to hit the SL at break even. So if that happened, fine. If not, fine. I also have a AUD-USD open. I forgot to mention before, but I just realized that it's there at break even. I opened that on the other computer in Asian session when I opened the pound Aussie there and the oil and all that, right? So on that one, I think I'm up like 50, 55 pip there, but it's still running. So USD kind of like getting weaker, so I'm gonna hold on to it and then see how far that goes. US session is about to open, right? So I'm gonna take my chances, hold that, and sit at break even. This one I just opened, and I'm up already like 150 pip plus the oil trade, right? And the 15 Aussie USD, so like 200 pips. So if I lose here 25 pip, don't matter. You know, right now it's you know, the volume time, and the US session is about to start, so it might just drop here, right? So anything else, I'm not gonna bother. But let's see what happens, right? So I'm gonna be coming back later on and update you. Okay, as I was suspecting that, you know, it's like, okay, EUR-CAD is gone at break even, right? So that is gone. So the only thing running right now is I just opened pound nosy, and that's the one that I have running. Everything else is closed, and that, and the other computer I have Aussie USD running, and it's at 50 pip positive. All right, so I'm gonna be updating you later on. Okay, I just realized something, and on the basis of that, I'm gonna bypass the pound newsy. I'm gonna close that and forget about that short. Okay, I'm gonna read because I think pound is gonna get it strong. Whoops. Let me see. Forget it. All right, I'll be back with updating, and I'll stop that. See how accurate this market is. Euro Aussie, I said the target was 56.54, and look what happened. Came and then it kissed that 56.54 to the pip and then bouncing. This is how it is. The only thing that we have to do is that we have to find it. We need to do the calculation, the daily range, the fib, and the SNL level, and then find the confluence area, and you'll have it. Okay. So this is it. That's why I just closed pound nosy, because I have the chart. Let me show you if that I can show you. So this is the chart I made earlier today. That pound index is sitting here. This is a channel. This is pound index. If it bounce, and it already did bounce, it's bouncing. Let me show you the pound index where I made that. The 40-minute, 80-minute chart. You see that the blue candles already start to print. So that if this thing goes there, all pound pair gonna go up. So going short on pound newsy or pound CAD now is not a good idea. Even pound USD, I lost those two, right? Lost 50 pips in between pound CAD and pound USD. I'm still up like 150 on this one, and then I have here Aussie USD running, right, from around 50 pips. So that would be 200 pip for the day, plus the oil trade for 120 pips. So yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay for the day. But you know, you gotta pay attention to these reasons where and what is happening. Now, another thing is cooking. Very, very important. Very, very important. Very, very important. And a very, very lucrative is gonna be is this yen index. You see this line on a 33-minute chart? Beautiful short setup. This short setup gave almost like 1,500, 2,000 pips in all yen pairs. Every single thing, all of these yen pairs went down. With this went down. You can see how badly they went down, right? You see that? Pound yen, pound Aussie, pound, CAD, sorry, not pound Aussie, pound yen, Aussie yen, CAD yen, everything went down, 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 down. So this is what's happening right now, that it is the weekly chart. You can see that it is coming down. It came down last week, big time, and then this is retracing, and this is the number to watch, 63.22 and 63.12, right? 63.12, right there. So I have these numbers here. You can see 63.12, 63.2. Well, I wrote down 63.24. So this is the zone, and this is the low here that the price reacted before, and then we bounce. Now we call this as lazy S, lazy S. You see this S kind of shape, and we are just hitting this 63.12, and if you put the fifth from there to there, you have 50%. 63.12, 63.24. If we start dropping from here, this is a very, very nice short setup, just like this one. That can produce some huge amount of pippage in yen pair. All of these yen pairs, they're gonna go down. So I'm gonna scan each and every one of them and then find good setups and then start hitting them. Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or maybe next week. And that would be a good New Year gift, right? All yen pairs going down. All right, so I'll be back with showing you the Aussie-USD, and it's about 1 minute from US session open, so let's see what happens. I'll be back. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again. All right, so I'm about to close everything. Actually, I did close everything. This one is also from the other computer I opened in Asian session earlier. I forgot to mention earlier, but this was running and I was sitting on a break even. So, and I was busy on other things, right? So this is also I closed for 50. So we already mentioned I already closed on this computer for 150 pip plus positive, right? So 150 pip plus this 50, that's 200 pip, even 250 plus pips for the day, as well as this crude oil from here, from 79.69 to 78.56. That was the whole production for the day. Okay, so 200 pips plus, and this crude oil for almost 120, 110, 20, right? So this is the total total work for the day, right? Now let me show you something here very quickly before I close. See, this is the chart. It is about my EUR-AUD trade, EUR-AUD, which I also posted. Let's see. This is right. This is here. I posted the chart here. This chart. You see this? And I wrote down here that let's dive to 56.54. That's the number. That was the target, right? So I was expecting this number to come in. That I posted on the Forex Factory and someplace else. Just for if people can take that advantage of that. So this was, I was expecting that, if it stay below 58.27, goes to here, 56.54. And that's exactly what happened. And it came down and then kissed that number here. And doing so, it gave me, so I recorded the entry when I made the entry. This was the chart, right? I messed up the chart, but this is what it is. I had to recover the chart from somewhere. So 30 pip it was at the time, and this was the entry. And then see, this target is 56.54, and this went on to this. So I closed here a little bit before 56.54. I closed at 56.74, and the total of 115 pips. So this is how, like, plan your trade and then trade your plan. This is how I do it. Every single trade is like that. I have a weekly charts, the 4-hour charts, and all of that ahead of time. And then I pull the trigger based on that. So this is it for today. And if you want to be a part of it, you want to learn what it is, then you can join. You go on my website and join, or sign up for one-on-one. I'll make you master of all this mumbo jumbo. Since last Monday, I'm recording every single day, and every single day I'm coming up like this. Okay, so you can do the same. It just need learning and a little bit of hard work, and you'll get it. And then after that, everything is open to you, the whole wide world, right? All right, so this is it for now, and I'm gonna close it for the day, and I will go and enjoy for the rest of my day with my kids. All right, because all the setups. Oh, by the way, one more very, very important thing is that today, not today, but tomorrow, or from today and on, this is a very good setup for yen index. The last setup I had is here, right? So now I can switch these things here to this. Okay. Now this is another setup, and this will give you so many yen pairs trade, hundreds, but I would say thousands of pips. This setup can give you, believe me. If you go and take a look from since here, this yet, what happened to this? So let's say November 24 till today, what happened to yen pairs? You will see the drop, like pound yen drop 800 pip, USD yen drop like 600 pip, all of them, right? So that probably, if we make the turn from here, then the same thing will happen again. So get ready, right? So monthly chart is this. This is what's happening. So I think that we're going to drop again. If we can stay below 63.24, we're going to drop and come to the TL. We will be trying to come to the TL. So this was a drop last week, and the weekly chart, and then it was a retracement, and we are just at that number, 63.24. Below 63.12, we start to go down, and then we will go down. We may not go down, but I'm talking about if we start going down, then the target would be these numbers, 61.33 or the TL, and all yen play gonna go down. All right. So this is it for today. I'm gonna close the video and then convert the file and then put it on the YouTube and then send out to everyone. All right. So bye for now, and see you guys tomorrow.